What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sean's Quality Services, and I am your host, Sean. So, look, do you have a mounted TV on the wall? And do you have a whole bunch of wires behind your TV or dangling going to the power cord? I do. I just mounted my TV on the wall the other day. It wasn't set up for that, nor am I going to drill holes into the wall and feed the plug down. I'm not doing any of that. I am going to create some hooks for my TV cord, some hooks for my sound bar. You know, so this stuff isn't just dangling down. I don't have 500 cords just dangling down from the TV. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. All right, y'all. So this right here is what it looks like behind the TV. What I'm gonna try to do is make some hooks, to try to clean some of this up, wind it up, try to wind it up somehow, make a special tool to wind it up. I know I just said wind it up a lot, so forgive me. But yeah, I'm going to clean this up over here because if you're sitting on a bed, you can see the surge protector hanging down past the TV and the soundbar, and that's pretty annoying. So what you kind of see right now, it's going to look kind of like this, but the wires aren't going to be all over the place. But I'm going to make some hooks and possibly something to wind these wires up with. That way, the only thing we're seeing is maybe a wire, which is from the surge protector, and there's nothing we can do about that. But all right, they're all finished. Again, what these are for, these are to hook on back of the TV wall mount, so I can pretty much wind up the wires, and I can pretty much secure the surge protector too also in the air. That way we don't see no cords, or maybe one cord from the surge protector just hanging down to the outlet, but not a million and one plugs. Okay, so I have all my pieces printed out. Now I'm just going to secure them and start plugging up everything. So without further ado, this is a wire that is pretty much just in the way. So we're going to wind this up maybe once, route it to HDMI 4K. I can wind it up one more time. Alright, so let's wind it up. Let's go to the next one. Let's wind this one up. This one right here is going to take up a lot because it's pretty long. Alright, and I actually have some, I have something too also, some Velcro strips that's actually going to help out with this process a little bit. But let's go ahead and wind up the actual TV. So that's not hanging neither. Alright, what's next? Wind this up a little bit more too. Also, like I said, I have Velcro strips. Let me just unplug this. I could have done a little bit better with it, but for pretty much the first model that I printed, it pretty much worked out perfect. So, it definitely works for now. So, all right, and the last quick cable, well, not even the last one. still have the Amazon Fire Stick cable, so let's go ahead and wrap this around maybe twice. Hold on, Mia, baby. Alright. And that's routed. And like I said, the only thing that's pretty much just going to be long and crazy looking is the actual surge protector. So what I'm going to do here is possibly, meaning that I have a lot of room behind the surge protector. Let's see if I can. Yep, worked out perfect. Not really. But I tell you, show you what I'm gonna do. Go find that Velcro, pretty much wind it up, and that'll be that. All right, so I have my Velcro, and I'm just going to take the surge protector cable, and I'm going to wind it up. This one more time. Okay. Alright. Not bad. Carry this back where it was. Definitely could have made the circle a lot more bigger, but I didn't. So, alright. It looks a lot better than how it did look. It was looking pretty crazy. Actually, I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. I want to make this thing look decent. So, put that right there. And that's a lot better. A lot better. A lot better. Yep. Alright. Now, it still doesn't look the best, but definitely looks way better than it did before. You know, like I said, I could definitely do better than this, but this right here is just going to have to work. You know, so hey, for this to have been pretty much my first time printing it out and getting these results, you know, I'm actually pleased. I'm just ready to close this video out and move on to something else, you know, but I will be doing a better job at this here soon. So let's get a look at what this looks like in front of the TV. Alright, so this right here is what it looks like in front of the TV. This is what we were shooting for. Not that many cables, not a whole ratchet that's full of cables, you know, so now it's just only one from the surge protector and everything else is tucked behind the TV. That's all we were worried about, you know, so I hope y'all liked it. On to the next design. Please stay tuned for the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you for tuning in to Sean's Quality Service.